Hey Beans, it's Ju. So I am going to Puerto Rico to do some service for the people who still have damaged roofs from Hurricane Maria. And I'll also be doing some forest restoration, and I'm super excited. In my lifetime, I've gone on 2 service trips abroad. I'm pretty sure that you wouldn't consider Puerto Rico abroad, but you still have to fly there, and it's an island and it's like US territory. But despite that, I'm gonna say abroad. So the first time that I went to do service abroad was in Nepal back in 2014, and then now in 2019 I'm going to Puerto Rico, and I'm super excited. So I just figured that I would show you all what I decided to pack to take with me, because they asked for a lot of stuff and it was required for it to be in a carry-on. So I managed to make it all fit. So before we get onto the video, I just want to say that I excluded a few items, such as my electronics and my water bottle and the outfit I'm gonna wear, which is why I'm not packing shoes, because the shoes I wear there are gonna be the only shoes that I take. Because most of the time I'll be wearing those huge work boots that you'll see. Let's just get started.
So this is my suitcase. It's carry-on size, so it's pretty small, but I'm gonna stuff it, as you will see. So I'm gonna start off with my medium-sized packing cube, and in here I'm just gonna put all of my clothes, as many as I can fit. So I put all my t-shirts and 2 pairs of pajamas, so 2 bottoms and 2 shirts. I also put in my bathing suit, and I think that's all I fit into this packing cube, and a few bottoms, mostly workout bottoms that can just fold up really simple, and that's it. I also included 2 long sleeves just for sun protection, and those are the pants, and the pink one is one nice dress top. So now I'm just going to show you everything that I have in my little dry toiletries bag. It's mostly band-aids, pads, bar soap, toothbrush, some floss, deodorant. So I'm just gonna squeeze everything in there. I also have a few headbands and a bonnet to keep my hair as nice as it can look. And so now I'm gonna stuff my suitcase. So first are with these boots, and since they're so big, I decided to stuff them with things to maximize my space. Then I just have some wipes, one for the butt and one for the hands, then my little stuff, and a blanket, well, a sheet, because I have to bring that, and that is tied, and I put it in 2 bags so it doesn't make a mess, and a little backpack. And this is just for where I'm staying to make it more cozy, and a raincoat. And then I'm just adding some more pants that didn't fit into the packing cube. And that's a little draw scent satchel thing. It makes your suitcase smell good. So if you don't use that, you should. It's amazing. So now with the other side, I'm gonna put in the big packing cube and a blanket to go along with the sheet. And now some pants that didn't fit, and more pants, and this is just a towel for my hair, and another shirt, and my satchel. So that's everything I put in my suitcase. I ended up squeezing a towel in there as well. Now this is what I'm gonna take as my personal item. So I'm just starting off with some flip-flops for the showers. And that's just information and bras and panties. And this is my toiletries that are wet, and I just squeeze them into the quart bag, and I put them in this Colgate bag, and I'm trying to sneak in a few more past TSA, but we'll see if that works. So I'm just gonna squeeze it all in there. And those are another pair of pants, and another pair, and a book to keep me busy. And that's all for the main compartment. Now some brushes. Gotta keep that hair looking so nice. My wallet, of course, and a hat.
So that is everything I decided to pack for my trip to Puerto Rico. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and comment down below if you've ever gone on a service trip, and if you did, where'd you go? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!